Who doesn't want to flaunt bouncy beachy waves or a sleek, straight and frizz-free hairdo? But both these techniques require a good amount of practice and of course the right tools. So today, we decided to put together some of the basic hairstyling tools that are staples in our dressers so we could teach you how to use them with absolute ease. The key to a beautiful hairstyle lies in tangle-free, smooth hair, and especially if you're doing something as important as blow-drying your hair into place. These ceramic brushes come in a variety of sizes and make the perfect partner for your blow dryer. You can use them to add volume, prevent frizz, and even to add in curls. If you have a sensitive scalp or hair that breaks easily, this is your go-to guy to detangle and smoothen hair easily. A dual-purpose brush, this one can be used to evenly section your hair while styling and also to add volume by teasing at the roots without adding too much frizz or any tangles. Before you begin using any heat styling tool, it's important to spray the hair with a good amount of heat protectant of your choice to prevent damage. You can even brush out your hair after to make sure the product is evenly distributed across the length of your hair. Unless you're blessed with super straight hair, this tool is an absolute staple in every woman's dressing table, and with good reason too. It helps with achieving smooth, soft hair, fights frizz, and gives you a very sophisticated look too. If you have thick hair, set your iron on the highest heat temperature. Go a little lower for thin hair. Comb your hair out thoroughly to avoid tangles and damage while styling, and taking one thin section at a time from the roots, moving away from the face. You can go over this same lock multiple times till you've achieved the straightness you desire. Keep working in small sections so you don't miss out on any areas and your hair will stay straight till your next wash. Curling your hair can be a disaster if you don't know how to twist your barrel correctly, and can leave little crimps and damage on your precious locks. So our solution to this lies in using a much easier to use and safer hair tool like this automatic curling iron. Available online with several different brands, this unique curler can be the answer to those unwanted burns and stiffly tongued hair. Once again, choose your setting, temperature, and time, depending on what kind of curl you want, and get started from the back first. A very user-friendly tool. All you need to do is take small locks of hair and position them into the curler and press on the button to start the curling process. This automated electronic system will smoothly curl the hair and leave it down once it's done. Run your fingers through the curls if you want a softer effect, spritz on some hairspray for hold, and you're done. That's how easy it is. Once you've gotten the hang of the basics with these heat styling tools, you can start experimenting with their versatility too. A straightener can even be used to add an outward or inward wave to your hairdo with a simple flip of the wrist. It can even be used to perform the duties of a hair tong, give beautiful curls in a jiffy. Now that you know how to use each of these heat styling tools, it's time to start practicing till you become a pro at achieving these hairstyles. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.